This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook anise fennel. First, select firm, white bulbs with vibrant, feathery green fronds for the best flavor. Trim off the very top stalks and the root end, then carefully peel away any tough outer layers. This initial cleaning step is crucial for preparing the vegetable properly, ensuring a delightful cooking experience. Always start with a clean foundation. Slicing fennel correctly unlocks its unique flavor and texture. Begin by cutting the bulb lengthwise in half, then slice it into even, thin strips for a more delicate taste. Alternatively, you can quarter the bulb if you plan to roast it whole, offering a different presentation. Remember, the tender green fronds are edible and make a wonderful, fresh garnish for your finished dishes, adding both beauty and subtle aroma. Roasting truly enhances fennel's natural sweetness and creates a wonderful caramelization. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal results. Toss your sliced fennel with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper, ensuring even coating. Roast the fennel for 20 to 25 minutes until it becomes wonderfully tender and beautifully golden brown, a truly delicious transformation. Sautéing is another fantastic method to bring out fennel's tender, slightly crisp texture. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. This helps prevent burning. Add your thinly sliced fennel and cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Stir the fennel occasionally until it softens nicely and develops a light, appealing brown color, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.